This thing's making me laugh, but just listen. Take a little closer.
Get to the chopper!
Hey, what's going on, guys? Perspective here, and we're gonna give my dude's PC a makeover. A well-needed makeover. So, this is his oh so beautiful case. I've seen this case before. I don't quite remember exactly what the brand is, but I want to say it's a Raid Max case. But we'll find out. We'll see. But this thing is so damn red. And these side panels aren't even being held down by screws at all. Oh, hold on. Okay. He's got no PCI bracket covers at all. Check this out. It's all bent right here. This is when you know you bought a super cheap case, because these things just bend like nothing. As you see here, this one bent a lot. Looks like during a graphics card removal. Might have been in a rush removing the card. And what in the, what? Holy,
Bruh.
look at this, look at this, look at this. Do you see this? There's a zip tie holding this card onto the board. Holy
Bruh.
Oh man. At least his power supply is screwed in all the way. Anyway, let's take a look at the back of this case. How are we looking back here? Super empty. What exactly is connected here? Or what is not connected actually? What is this? USB. So these don't work. Alright. Either they don't work, or the person who built the computer forgot to plug it in, or didn't know where to plug it in. Wow. Wow, dude. Look at that. There's a spider that lived in there. Anyway, rest in peace, spider. Let's see. So, it's managed somewhat, but they're all bent up here. Way too many bends for my liking. But that's neither here nor there, and that's probably more I should be worried about anyway, from everything that I've seen so far. It's like I'm waiting for something to jump out at me. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, at least that cooler ain't so bad. Could have been worse. Could have been like G.Skill cooler. Yeah, I'm right. It's a Raid Max case. Alright, so you got, looks like a full kit of G.Skill RAM. We're looking at a Z97 board. So that's definitely Haswell. Was Haswell like 5th gen or something like that, if I can remember correctly. So Z97 Gaming 5 motherboard. Nice little badge there on the Mobo. We got a 1060 here, single fan. Let's see what else we got here, because he did give me a graphics card in another box. From the looks of it, that's a Gigabyte card. It's pretty freaking hefty. Alright. Gigabyte Xtreme Gaming. He told me this was a 1060, but I don't recall ever seeing this card. Oh, it's a 1060 Xtreme. 6 gigabyte. So I don't know what the hell that is, but we're gonna clean that off. What the heck? HDMI pass-throughs on it. Has no plate on it. Why? What the
Bruh.
How are we gonna get this attached? Anyway, I'll try and figure something out. I hope. Alright, so we got 1 terabyte Seagate hard disk drive. And it looks like Shark Technology 750 watt power supply with them lovely ketchup and mustard cables, which he's not going to use. He's going to be using this instead. The ThermalTake Smart 750 watt. That one's got black cabling on it. It'll look better in that regard. So I'll put that aside. Okay, so yeah, let's take it apart and let's get rid of this case here.
I'm looking for a way inside your mind. It's a haze of mysteries. All I see is smoke and mirrors and the reflecting memories. I need to figure out how things are twined. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away.
You see those screws? They're not even on all the way. Look at this one. It's like even crooked.
See you. Can you see me too? Tell me how it feels to know that I cannot let you go. My veins, they are strained.
Look at this fan. It's not even on the CPU. Oh my god, no way. Wow.
Only void inside my bones, paralyzed like a dog. Tears filling up within.
Alright guys, we finally finished. It's 2 a.m. right now. I'm really freaking tired, but I'm gonna give you guys a rundown real quick on what we did to make this work. So, graphics card, as you saw earlier, had no PCI bracket. So to alleviate that, I got a PCI bracket cover and I cut it, made it so that, you know, the inputs here can be shown so that he can at least have one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and one DVI. And we put the bracket in here. We zip tied the bracket onto the case and the input ports because there happen to be holes on it, and then to secure it in place, screwed the bracket onto the case itself as you would a normal bracket, and it made it really sturdy, surprisingly sturdy. I didn't think it was going to be that sturdy. And as far as everything else, it's not like there's anything crazy about the build. I just cleaned everything up. Oh yeah, I also replaced the CPU fan as well. You know, it being such an old Haswell CPU cooler, might as well, you know, replace it with something a little bit newer, something used a little less, since I tend to put AIOs and air coolers in my builds. I happen to have a couple extra of these things laying around, so did that for them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like that rebuild. I personally think it's really good. It actually looks like a freaking PC now, so that's good. And you know, I hope my homie can enjoy this PC even more now, especially since the CPU cooler is actually mounted onto the CPU, you know. Anyway, I'm rambling now. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love to subscribe, and stay tuned, because I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm going to bed. Hey, what's going on, Perspective here? We're here with Jesse, the new owner of this PC. Let's take a look. Let's see. How do you feel about it, dude?
It feels like Christmas. I can't wait to unwrap it.
Hell yeah, let's take a look at it.
Wow, really nice wrap. Nicely wrapped.
Had to make sure it's super secure and safe.
And one more layer. All right. Wow, look at how sexy that looks. Okay.
Bro, I'm telling you.
That just looks sexy right there on its own.
Here, we can flip it.
We can actually put it on my car.
Okay, cool, cool.
Out of here, old red. Sorry guys, but that old red computer, the red stormtrooper, no good.
No offense.
That's why you don't go cheap on your cases, guys.
Okay, still love you, dog. There we go.
Wow. Wow, okay, okay.
Hell yeah.
I hope you guys are ready for this with a thumbs up and a subscribe. Everyone ready? I know I am.
I wish you could turn it on in here, but I don't have an adapter.
God.
Oh yeah. Peel off the plastic if you want. Ooh, that peel.
Oh, so satisfying. Wow. What the f is this?
Hell yeah.
No, it doesn't swing open? Alright.
Nah, so 4 thumb screws, 1 in each corner. They're very short, so it's easy to remove.
See if we could look at the internals really quick. What do we got? What the f?
Bruh.
You guys see that sexy graphics card in there? That thing is huge.
That's what she said.
Wow. And there's not a mouse in there?
Nope. No mice. Very little dust.
Do you guys want to check out something unique though? The way that graphics card is being held on, compromising skills. I love that. And this magnet, what the f?
Yep. Dust filter, magnetic. You can keep it on or take it off.
I don't know if he told you guys, but Ron ended up finding out that my last computer was really f***ed up. Apparently the components were not put together correctly, so So close to messing up the whole build.
Hell yeah, dude.
Ron, thank you so much for this new one, man.
Oh, of course,
Much
dude.
love.
Hell yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you, dude.
You're welcome. Hey, you want to see the cable management in the back?
What do we do?
Just these here. And then I'll run back to work. Then you just pull back. Whoop. There we go.
What the f? Yo, that's clean.
Hell yeah, dude. Just for you, man.
Wow. Yeah, that's cleaner than my boss's shoes, dude. Those are typically clean.
Well, welcome to the PC Master Race.
Yes, sir.